review the past lesson. So, what are and standards are important in health services. Naaari po tayo ang rules and standards sa health services. Pasagda ko ay sa ban. What kind of tool? Pliers. So, just what? Everyone, mati. And by mga sizes na.
This is saying on a lot of things. You know, you take the out of the how to say process how to say focus on the expression for schools really makes life through easier fun get the job done again, this is rough, but if you need it, push the big interpretable and rotating aggressive, roll it around, shake out a pivot or screw it in, especially small, but none of it is safe. Number 6, you can even those fires hammer and small. Tropical water. Number 8, always handle the easier by squatting 90. Stay nail up and try to just enough to get it set. Then use pressure from your fingers to push the nail up, keep it steady while you try the rest of the way. Next week, point backwards. So keep the nail point escaping of the surface before it comes. Number 9, use a board to pry it. Keep the back nail out. Use a thin, flat piece of wood as a pry. This serves 2 purposes. Number 1, it provides more leverage for prying. Number 2, it protects the surface. So often amazed at how many people don't know. Amazed at how many people don't know about some of the common tools we all use. Talking about hammers, screwdrivers, scissors, stuff that everybody has in a drawer or a toolbox. People frequently overlook the fundamental functions. So in our
Paper roller. basically, everyone mamati. Pick a leader. One leader lang, then pick your members. Tapos pinarita mag-rate sa mga utod kung may pinunigan kung ay. Okay, everybody quiet. So, ang tatanong ang sabiyon sa may-ari kita siya box. Kasi doon sa box ni may mga mystery na pictures. It's about hand tools. So, first, mag-print ikaw sa box and guess the tool. Kung ano man magkakot tool, guess ang maguda. Explain where they think the tool is used para sabihin ang tool ang ikabot ko. So, pili ko mga buliganay. So, ang quiz na name is malibot ang box. Hindi pag-aboy, ihatag lang itong mga ay hindi makaboy. So, may music ka na diri. Maguntat ang music, dira masabat ang grupo. So, nobody, 1, 2, 3, malibot, mag-stop ang music. Dira, ang isa ka leader or any member pili magabot. Kat, mabuliganay ka mo sabat. First, mag-pick a tool. Second, guess ang tool. And last, explain ang tool kung diin ginagamit. Okay? Okay, mas-start nyo na sa tunga. So, we have group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. So, 5 lang. So, mas-start nyo na mag-music. We have 4 carpentry hammer and we have 4 metal use hammer. So, ang common is 4 driving nails lang. So, hammer, all kinds of hammer is under sa hand tools, yes. Classification. Driving tool. Under sa driving or striking tool. So, mag-proceed kita dito lang. Use both objects early and what? Lightning. Okay. So, measuring tools used to what? Measure then with distance. Ako na ang measuring tool. So, let's proceed sa uses of hand tools. Uses of hand tools. So, hammer, driving nails. Screwdriver, driving screws. Ang pliers, holding or bending wires. Ang wrench, there's a wrench, tightening nuts and bolts. So, handsaw, cutting wood. And the tape measure, measuring length. So, kindly answer sa classification sa tools. Agad, lupin pala ang nails. Sa akin ang nails. Lansa. Okay, ang lansa. Ganito. So, dalawang ang nails na hindi mag-isi ang pants kung dito sa unang pants sa upuan. Ay kung hindi dalo ang kapulong sa lansa, ay pasabol mag-isi ang mag-isi yung mga pants or mapilasa yung huli. Kaming screwdriver. Everybody stand up sa upuan. Pakita sila kung paano dito na ng screwdriver. O screwdriver. Kung aming screwdriver. O screwdriver. Tapos, ibut-ibuton sa hugdon. Pakita sila kung paano hugdon. tools. So, mga cost cam, accident light, kasabat naman daw kasabat. Yes. Another 2.4, Bruce 3. Ang Bible, and kinds of tools, mga cost kung saan ang magamit. Para sa grupo, ano sa flash? Hindi ko kung sino na po sa ano unang point. Please raise your hand para matuga pa po yung ay ito, ano na sa page. Next page pa ako, ito na sa page na lang. Madamo-damo points din. Ikaw lang, hindi may jimihan sa classmate. Kung di ka kabalo magamit sa ano, sa hammer, maano. Oh, malikuin mo ako. Okay, 1 point for group 4. Papapasagamin mo po yung oh, yes. Kung English, kung English, hindi ma-English, people, so para yan, 1 point for go. Go, go, go. Okay. So, sa nagaling, it's very important na mag-focus ka sa nagaling. It's because, kung nagaling mo, tapos ka muna ako maglagaling mo, tapos na ulat yun, magamit ka sa nagaling, ka na dinidiritso. Tapos kung pagsala ka ni, may possible na madiritso sa tuhod mo sa madiritso mo. Makakos ang ano, injury or why ka na tingin sunod daw? Or the random happen? Ano na, it's very important to know kung paano gamiton ang mga handles. Everyone, I have please get one word or 1 ink or test notebook. Go. Test notebook. So we have short quiz here. Everybody answer. Hantun. Letter B. Handsaw. So what is the main use of screwdriver? A. Tightening screws. Pliers belong to what definition of hand tools? B. Greeting tools. 4. Which tool is used to measure the length of the gap? Tape measure. A hammer is only used for driving tools. Nails. Sugat 5. Everyone. Sugat 4. Olenta. 4. So, silent. These 5 tools you can find in your house. You can find in your picture right there. So we have a long class on Friday. What's Friday? So So, you have 45 minutes to finish. Pero, last na to guys, kaya nyo na.